Hi everyone. Good morning students. So this is Dr. Deshmukh Madhuri welcomes you in the world of the botany. So students, we are going to start about the nostoc. Nostoc is one of the algae and it grows in a stagnant water and on a damp soil. It shows the unbranched filament with a barrel-like cells. Certain enlarged cells appears at the intervals which are known as the heterocyst, and these are the thick-walled transparent cells. The whole filament it is surrounded with the gelatinous material, and each two heterocyst delimits in between a number of cells called as a hormogonia. In most of the cases, the clusters of filaments are grouped together in the form of the gelatinous masses. So the characteristics of this nostoc, the nostoc specifically belongs to the blue-green algae group. That is, it belongs to the group of cyanobacteria, but it's not the bacteria. There should not be confusion with the bacteria. It is one of the algae included under the group of blue-green algae or cyanobacteria. They are even found on the tree trunk, forming a mucus or a leathery outgrowth. It secretes an extraordinary amount of gelatinous substances and forms jelly-like lumps in which the large amount of trichomes are held. The jelly-like substances are more or less rounded and attains a large size, which may as large as a hen's egg. It is also found in a paddy field where it helps in atmospheric nitrogen fixation. So the function of this nostoc is to fix the atmospheric nitrogen because it shows a specific cells so that they have the potential to fix the atmospheric nitrogen. Some of the common species of nostocs are Nostoc canium, Nostoc entophyllum and Nostoc communii. Reproduction occurs in the nostoc algae by vegetative reproduction and the asexual mode of the reproduction. The mode of reproduction of asexual occurs with the help of binary fissions or by formation of akinites. Sexual reproduction is not well known in this method of this group of the alga. So systematic position of the nostoc: class Cyanophynaceae, order Nostocales, family Nostocae, and the genus is Nostoc. Morphology of this nostoc: each colony contains a gelatinous material in which numerous filaments are embedded. The filaments are not branched. They are they are just a strip-like structure and consist of a row of the beads-like cells. The filaments may contain one or more than one enlarged empty-looking cells called as heterocyst. The filaments is not a straight structure, but it's twisted and folded on itself to form the spherical structure. This filament is enveloped by the hyaline or the color gelatinous sheet of an exceedingly thin consistency. Many closed sheets usually unite together to form the thick masses of the jelly in which filaments are embedded.